Hey you guys, so welcome to a new vlog. I'm doing my hair so I can put on my headband wig, but I wanted to come and say hi while I was waiting. Actually, let me put the camera down because I have a lot to tell you guys. You guys, I have had I hate the way that this is on my face. Okay, now it's time to take it off anyway. Alexa, stop. So anyways, hello, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you guys are feeling okay and nice and everything. I went extra with my baby hairs today. If you don't like baby hairs, just mind your business, Susan. But anyways, I have been having the worst of luck with like purchases and stuff, and this is just a wig grip. Randomly got this little cheetah print headband. I'm just gonna put this one on because yeah, let me make sure my wig is not gonna fall off. Okay, the wig grip is doing its job because I didn't use the combs at all. I'm trying to get like an outfit of the day. I don't know if you guys would like to see those, but I don't know, I'm always nosy. I'm always like, what are you wearing to just run your errands? Because I do have to run some errands today. I have to get some stuff for my birthday photo shoot. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the tea on this. So I ordered from Shein. I told you guys in my last video where I was styling some Shein pieces, like featuring some. I was gonna order like shoes and stuff, but unfortunately, like, I ordered 2 pair because I was like, let me tread lightly, and I'm so glad I did. So oh, I got hair all over my shirt. I got 2 white pair because I don't believe I have any white pair of shoes that are like cute heels and stuff. And I like this height because of the fact, I forgot if this is like 2.75 or like something like that, but I like the height because it's comfortable and I don't have to like take them off or anything. So, and I noticed that Shein had them. It's really hard to find like the cute ones like this because, you know, I like the short heels, but I'm not trying to look like I'm going, you know, to serve the Lord. But anyways, these shoes are very cute, but the quality on them, because like I tried them on and it just, I don't know, like it just doesn't seem like a quality shoe, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't know. So another thing that's going back is this nail kit. Yeah, this is a gel nail starter kit. Is this one, so you don't waste your money and buy it. Or I don't know if it was just this one, but I just would not waste my time or money. The polishes are not nice in my personal opinion at all. Like, and I don't like the top coats that you have to like wipe. I like the no wipe because it's more like beginner friendly and stuff. And you guys requested like nail videos and stuff from me, so that's what that was the purpose of me getting this. But it's a no. Like, I was trying to find a set where you guys don't have to buy like separate stuff. But honestly, like, I find that buying like separate things, like, because everything in a kit doesn't always work out, and this is a prime example. I mean, don't get me wrong, like, it comes with like the essentials and everything, but honey, like, at the end of the day, like, it's not worth it because this UV lamp does not work very well. Like, you have to do it like a million times. I actually filmed a video trying to like show you guys, and it was just but while we had those fails, we did have some success. So I got the Beatles one. I know everybody done seen this on Instagram, and I actually got a request to do like a more affordable dupe because this one was hard to get your hands on. Like, I had to pre-order it on Amazon like a week in advance. Okay, so this one is really like a hot commodity, okay, right now, because everybody is trying to get it. So it's the one where you can it comes with, it's by Beatles. It comes with the nail tips, and then it also comes with the little lamp and the gel glue. So yeah, this one is like really popular right now, so it's hard to get your hands on. And then I got requested to do the more affordable one, which I just ordered it because I just seen that DM, so I'll be testing out both of them. So yeah, and then I love Beatles gel polish. Like, they have like some of the best gel polish, so I ordered some. These are like neutral brown colors. I am gonna do a video where I swatch them and everything. I actually did some swatches already. let me show you guys. So yeah, these are some of them. It's only one missing, but these are, yeah, I think it's just one missing. But anyways, I'm gonna do a video on it. But anyways, I am starting pretty late. It's already like 3 o'clock or something. So yeah, I'm starting this vlog pretty late because I had to like edit and, you know, do all of this stuff and work and all that stuff. So I'm getting out pretty late today, so let's just get out the house. So now I'm at Party City. I'm looking for the stuff that I need. Feeling kind of discouraged because I don't even see like the color that I'm looking for, or maybe I'm just on the wrong aisle. So I just came out of Party City. They didn't have much. They didn't have any of the color balloons that I need. They just had those cute letters, which they were really cute. I think I showed them to you guys, hopefully. But anyways, you guys will see when everything comes out. But now I have to go and get my Toad some crickets so she can eat. So yeah, just want to give you guys an update. So I stopped at Pinkberry, as you guys can see, after I got my baby Toadie some crickets. Got her food, so I decided to have some snack, and this is so good. I got the mini, and I feel like this is more than enough. Like, and I just got the peach rings for decoration. I might eat them, I don't know, but we'll see, because I haven't really had anything like crazy in a while. Now I'm at Target and looking for some stuff that I can use in the photo shoot. Trying to stay away from people. They have some really cute robes. Oh no, those are pajamas, not robes. Came to the makeup section to see if they have anything in my color that I want. Doesn't look like it. It's okay. Now I'm over here in the Switch section and I don't need anything. I just got Luigi's Mansion. I still play games. I know I'm old, but I still like to play games sometimes, like when I have free time, since we're at home, you know. And I've always been a fan of Nintendo since like 64. Yeah, Nintendo 64 is the first one I owned when I was little. But yeah, let me know if you guys play games and which ones, or even if it's like PC or whatever you play. Comment down below, let me know what you play. So I'll give you some game recommendations. I really like this one. This is the one that I'm playing right now. It's really fun. It's kind of difficult and annoying, but it's fun. I have Smash Bros, which I have not even completed or finished. Have this one, I finished that one. Have this one, I finished it before. Have Yoshi's Story. So all these I would recommend. Yeah, I have this one, but I haven't even played it yet. Oh yeah, and you guys definitely should try this one out. It's on sale right now too, but you guys should try it out. I love this game. I haven't finished it yet, but I like it. So it's the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed like going with me to pick up some stuff for my shoot. I cannot wait to share with you guys. I am gonna vlog as much as I can of that experience. Of course, it will be in a weekly vlog, so make sure you guys, you know, stay tuned for that. But I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I got sent so you guys could kind of get a sneak peek on what's going to be coming to my channel this upcoming, or for the upcoming weeks, because I don't know if I'll be able to get all of it in like this coming week. So anywho, I am super excited to be working with a makeup brand. If you guys know, I started my channel mainly for like makeup and everything like that. And these glasses are from Vogue Me, I forgot. I worked with them a long time ago and I still have the glasses. They are really nice. They also have my prescription in them and they have blue light blocking, as you guys can see the ring light in the frames. I will leave that video in the description box below, and it should have the link to these if they are still available, but it was a while ago. So anywho, I'm gonna be working with Merit. They are a really nice minimal makeup brand. You guys have probably heard of them before, but I was super excited when they wanted to work with me. So yeah, I just want to get into pretty much like what I got. I'm probably gonna try to do an unboxing on Instagram too, because I want to start doing that as well. But when you open the box, it's just so beautiful. It's just this blue beautiful color, and it says less is more. Okay, so they specialize in minimalistic makeup, so if you guys are interested in that, definitely check them out. I will leave a link in the description box below. So here it has a pamphlet, and it has a bunch of beautiful young ladies in here, and then it has like little segments on like 5-minute mornings and things like that. And then here, let me put this down. And then here's what the makeup actually comes in, which I was like, when I first saw it, because I was honestly so excited, I was like, oh, is this a purse? Like, what? I will make a thing. But anyways, this is what it comes in. So you just untie it. Oh, that's cute, and it's like branded on the inside. I feel like this would actually be really cute to like throw your minimal makeup in. So this is the packaging. Yes, Merit. So I also got a package. Ooh, I couldn't even lift it. Also got a package from Hair Remy, and they sent over some cute wigs as well. So anyways, this is one of their human hair wigs. Let me put these boxes down. So the next one I got is from Love Me Hair. Like, look at how cute their packaging is. Like, I just died. Like, I'm always scared to open their packaging like beforehand, because I'm always scared that I'm not going to be able to like get it back right for the unboxing. So I also got some units from some Amazon sellers as well. This first one is a 20-inch 13x4 lace frontal. Which I'm excited about this one as well. Their packaging is very minimal. Okay, so this is the last package I'm going to show you. This one is also from an Amazon seller. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it for this vlog. I do hope that you guys enjoyed coming and spending a couple days with me. We are at the end of this week, and I do want to get this uploaded for you guys for my weekly vlog. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below if you have any comments or questions or anything like that, video requests, anything. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely don't want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.